Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka of seventh chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Apareyam itastvanyam prakrutim विद्धि मे पराम जीवभूताम महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत् Om. Realize and constantly remember that you belong to the higher nature of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall always remember that I belong to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 6th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Surya's other wife, her name is Chaya. She gave birth to Sanaishchara and Savarni Manu, and also one daughter, Tapati. Tapati married to Samvarana, and other one, Aryamuni's wife is Matruka. They gave birth to so many learned, enlightened children. And also Chaturmukha Brahma, through these learned people, made sure there are some more people are born who can spend their life upon meditating on Atma, soul. Now, there is other one, Pusha. He doesn't have any children. What happened is, when Paramasiva was so mad at Daksha, this Pusha while showing all of his teeth, he insulted Paramasiva. Because of that, this Posha lost all his teeth. Because there is no teeth, Posha started eating only flour throughout of his life. Now there is other girl, Rachana. She is the daughter of Danavas. She became wife to Tvashta. They gave birth to Sannivesa Visvarupa. So Devatas and Danavas, they are eternal enemies. Now this Visvarupa is the son of Danava's daughter. Danavas are enemies to Devatas. So what happened is, once when Indra insulted Brahaspati, Brahaspati left all the Devatas and went away. At that time, Chaturmukha Brahma suggested Devatas to take this Visvarupa as their priest, as their Purohita. Though this Visvarupa is the son of one girl who is the daughter of Danavas. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 5th sloka. Apareyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param jivabhutam mahabaho yayedam dharyate jagat. Apareyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param jivabhutam mahabaho yayedam dharyate jagat. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.